I messed everything up, didn't I? I'm sorry, Miles.
You've got nothing to be sorry for, Tag. You did the right thing. I'm proud of you.
Well, why didn't you just say so earlier? The silent treatment was driving me insane.
I thought you needed some quiet.
Not that much quiet. You've been freaking me out all morning.
Sorry. Won't happen again, you big baby.
That'll be Mika and Milo. They said they'd drop by to... What are you doing here? Please, come in.
You packed up fast.
Why don't I give you 2 a minute? I've got another awkward situation to get to.
You shouldn't leave. There are things going on you don't understand. Things I can't tell you. But you need to stay. If you want to take King down, it has to be from the inside.
I've got no car. I've got no money. I've got one friend in the hospital, and your boss has painted a target on the others. It's over.
Not yet. Something's going to happen soon. It's going to change everything. You need to trust me.
I really don't. I'm sorry, Tamira. I've seen too many sides of you to even guess which one's real. Get out.